Hey guys, Max here, and today I'm going to tell you about the importance of seriousness in the workplace. As you may know, there may be some word going around that me and Levi have not taken our occupations as seriously as we should.
We are greatly disturbed by this, so we decided to make the video to clear this up. Here are some examples of non-serious actions in the workplace.
Ooh, here.
Hi, Rachel.
Oh,
Wow.
wow.
What did you do?
What did you do, Levi? I know. I love that.
Okay.
I love that.
What is this?
Whoa, whoa!
Sorry, I
Oh! Oh!
Here are some serious maneuvers in the workplace.
Hi, Bethany. Nice weather today.
I know, right? Isn't it lovely outside, Charlotte? I know. Would you?
Hi, boss. Can I have a promotion?
Yes. And that's why you should be serious in the workplace.